Okay, you're welcome back to my channel. This is As a Graphics. If you join me for the first time, please subscribe, put on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post your content here on YouTube. Alright, just to make this video very fast, I just speed in some process. For example, okay, let me just show you. Let me change this to black, the background to black. You can see this is Service Graphics Montserrat. That's the font, Montserrat bold. Now once you tilting Montserrat bold and this line spacing, this is the highest I can actually do. So also there's this particular shape that I created. Now something like this, just give this color, then just tilt this and the radius, you see. So that's how I got that. Then also the Montserrat regular, the address of it. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is this particular one. Okay, now it's here. So 16. I'll just position this one here, and this is actually not necessary. I was just trying to model. Okay, now I'm just stealing his design. Stealing. If I'm to model it, then definitely we'll move some of this thing here. But I'm thinking of modeling the design. When I mean by model the design, this design is actually not made by me, it's by Shades of Madi. So if I'm thinking of modeling this design in a way of making it my own, just the way of me making the design my own, that when the owner sees it, he's not going to identify it as his own, but still good using a different software. Alright, so I can just come here and we're done with this. Alright, just make this transparent, then save. Okay, now there's something else I want to do, but okay, now there's something else I would love to do. Okay, this is put this one here. Now copy it, flip it this other way around. Okay, okay, so this one has to be the whatever. Okay, so I'll just save this. I'm saving you the stress. I'll send the material. Alright, so let's just go straight to PicsArt. Click on plus, come to draw. Okay, this job I was doing yesterday, I completed it already. So square size, so you can just come here, and in case yours is not having this square size, you can come to custom 1000 by 1000. Still be okay, regardless it's still square. Still going to give me something that is square. So I'll just let me just bring in the shape, my background. Put it like this. Definitely this is good. Then okay, now we have this. So I'll go not okay. You can just what I wanted to do is edit image. Now the reason I'm coming here is because this particular, where is it? Effects, then blur. Click on the blur. Okay, I don't know, my PicsArt hasn't come up with options. Yeah, those were the options I was waiting for. I don't know why my PicsArt hasn't come up with blur. Now if I'm going to put on my data, this should definitely work. Now okay, let's try various options. What normal should be okay. We have this. The next thing is, now this won't take me time, so it's just come to, should we go to draw, come here, bring in the headline, just bring this in. Let me just increase this, position it this way. Okay, I'll bring in another photo, then with that done, hard, I'm gonna bring this here. Okay, this done. The next thing is add another photo, bring in, there's this particular image I I worked with yesterday. Now there's this particular element I created. It's like a shadow effect. Alright, so this is it. You can also create it here in PicsArt, but since I already created it, so it's no problem. So the next thing is add another photo, then this curtain, add. Alright, so the next thing is come to adjust, come to effects, blur, just ignore. Now this is my problem with PicsArt blowing. Now there will always be, like you can see by the side of my image, my element, is now having like some black spots around it. But don't worry, I'm going to blow it some with a third party app, and I'll send it to you. It's not going to have that dark, whatever it may be. So I'll just come here, I'll come to adjust. Okay, I will come here and increase the clarity. I want that gold color to pop out. Then let's see if I tamper with the saturation a bit, not too much. Then I'll position it this way. Okay, now because we're almost done, so the next thing is just this one. We edited in PixArt, PixelLab. Okay, now I'll come to here, so erase, then I'll just erase the brand name. Okay, now it's somewhere around there. Okay, I forgot to that whatever it is, that drink 18, forgot to save it, but this will work. So I'll just come here and as well bring this in, then I just add this. Then let me just crop this side out, then stay with just this part. Okay, now we are done with our design. Okay, now let's compare the original design with this. Now okay, I just thank God I just decided to go back, then I just saw some effects there. So the missing this would have really made me angry if I had just gone ahead with this and make it like this. Then I'll just come to blend mode and I'll make it overlay. Okay, so the next thing is coming is duplicate. Okay, so come to crop, come to rotate. I'm trying to flip it. Okay, yeah, this way. Now the blend mode is still overlay. So you can see we're already having that effect. So the next one is this particular element. So I'll just come to crop, come to rotate, then flip. Okay, flip it this way. Then I can get linear dodge hard here. Okay, now the blend mode will actually work here, so we'll just play around here. Now let's hard. Okay, hard actually worked. Screen tool is also good, but I'll just stick with hard. So alright, so this is the design we just created. Okay, now alright, I'm seeing like a mistake here, so we'll just go here. I'm not saving this, we're done already, but I'll just come here and crop something out. Now those bees. Okay, so I'll just now, so this is crop that part out. Alright, so we are done with this tutorial. Alright, so please kindly subscribe to my channel. In case you just joined me for the first time, the resources will be in the description of this video. Okay, now I don't know if you can just try and maybe this, like the effect I added last, you can reduce the opacity a bit. Seems this one is too much. Alright, so we'll see in the next video. Do not forget, you can just come here and save now. So it's already saved to my gallery. Alright, we'll see in the next video. Cheers.